Good morning, students. This is Sheetal teacher here. Now, in last chapter we have seen that adjective describes people and things, and along with that we also learned about the different types of adjective. Now, we are going to learn about adjective. That adjective can be used to make comparison between people and things. So, our next chapter is adjectives degree of comparison. Now you can see that here are some pictures. You can see the difference between the pictures. 3 sentences are there. Cycle is fast. But whenever you want to compare cycle with the car, means there basically the comparison at present, the comparison is going on between two nouns. We are going to compare the cycle with the car, but to describe the cycle we have used the adjective fast. So we said cycle is fast, but when we are going to compare car with cycle, what we said? Car is faster than cycle. Means we had a comparison between car and cycle, and to show the comparison we used the word faster, the adjective faster. And the last one is airplane is fastest. Okay, means among all the vehicle airplane is fastest. So we are going to learn about the degrees of comparison, how we can use the adjective to compare between two nouns or more than two nouns. Okay, so our topic is degree of comparison, and under that we are going to learn about 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now we will see how these 3 degrees are differ from each other, and to show these 3 degrees how can we use and we modulate the adjective. Okay, now our first degree, we are going to learn about our first degree, but before that just have a look here. See, this is one picture. In the picture 3 things are there: tea, fire and sun. Now you can see that the tea is the hot. We know that tea is hot. But when we are going to compare tea with fire, we can say the fire is hotter than tea. Means there is a comparison between tea and a fire. In such a case, we use the word hotter than. Okay, tea. And the last one is sun is the hottest. Means among all the things, sun is the hottest. Means there is nothing more hotter than sun. There is nothing hottest than sun. Means sun has the highest degree of hottest. ओके, सन से ज़्यादा कोई हॉट थिंग होता है नहीं. मीन्स ही इज एट द हाइएस्ट लेवल ऑफ हॉटनेस. सो दिस इज आवर थर्ड डिग्री. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट एंड थिंग इज दैट द बेसिक एडजेक्टिव वॉट एवर वी हैव लर्न टिल द डेट आर considered as a positive degree. Means where we don't have any type of comparison. Okay, when there is no comparison, that adjective is positive degree. Okay, so our first degree is positive degree. Keep the thing in your mind where there is no comparison between any noun, so that basic adjective is your positive degree adjective. Where we are considering one noun, one person, thing or place. okay, or a single quality about the noun. For example, John is a man, no comparison, no adjective. Next, Eiffel Tower is tall, man-made structure. Means there is no comparison of the Eiffel Tower with anything, just a simple sentence. It's the tall man-made structure. So, one noun with one quality, it comes under a positive degree. The basic, the easiest thing is that the basic adjectives are always comes under the positive degree. Now, our second thing is comparative degree. Now, in comparative degree, see, this is a picture where Ajay and Vijay. So, if you want to compare between these two boys, you can say that Vijay is taller than Ajay. What we can say? Vijay is taller than Ajay. Means we had a comparison between two nouns. Okay. And we made a sentence that Vijay is taller than Ajay. Okay, sorry, by mistaken I had a typing mistake here. I wrote Ajay, but please consider it as a Vijay is taller than Ajay. So, our second degree of comparison, that is comparative degree, it always compares between two person or two things. Got the things? Very basic thing. Comparative degree compares between two person or two things. And secondly, always keep one thing in your mind. We have to use than word with comparative degree. What we have to use? We have to use than word with comparative degree. Means when we are going to compare these two nouns, so which one is taller? To show that taller, we have to use the word than. Okay, again consider instead of Ajay it is Vijay. This is by typing mistake. Vijay is taller than Ajay. Means than. किससे ज़्यादा tall है वो? तो to show that we have to use a than. It means in comparative degree there will be always than word. And second thing is tall is a regular adjective. But to compare or to show the comparison between two things, we add er. What we add? We add er to the basic adjective. And whenever we add er to the basic adjective, it forms the comparative degree adjective, which will be followed by than. Means there should be two changes. Adjective should follow with er and than word should be there. These are two must things should be there to show the positive degree. Is it clear? Again I repeat. There is a comparison between two persons and thing. Adjective should be followed by er and than word should be there in your sentence to show the comparison. So this was your comparative degree. Now third one is our superlative degree. Okay. Now superlative degree means what? As the name suggests, super means जो सबसे ज़्यादा super है. There is no one above that. The superior, we say the superior of our school. There is no one above that person. He or she has the superior, what you can say, abilities, qualities. So that is what the super. So next is our superlative degree. Now see, again the same picture is here, but there is a comparison between three boys, Ajay, Vijay and Rajesh. So now in previous slide we have seen that Vijay is taller than Ajay, but now in this slide we can see that Rajesh is the tallest boy. The tallest means because there is no one tallest than राजेश, उससे ज़्यादा और बड़ी किसी की हाइट है वहाँ पे नहीं है. सो दैट्स वाई ही इज़ द टॉलेस्ट. Or else you can take the previous example, what it was, which is in your first slide. What was that? Sun is the hottest. Means हमें ये पता है कि सन से ज़्यादा हीट दुनिया में, सोलर सिस्टम में कोई भी क्रिएट नहीं कर सकता है. ओके, दिस इज़ द यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ कि सन सबसे 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 ज़्यादा हॉटेस्ट है. सो दैट कम्स अंडर द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, मतलब जिसके ऊपर और किसी के साथ कंपैरिजन नहीं हो सकता है. दोज कंपैरिजन और दोज थिंग्स और दोज टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव कंसिडर एज अ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सो हियर इज वन स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल. अमंग दीज 3 boys, राजेश इज द टॉलेस्ट. ओके, so very best first thing is that keep this thing in your mind that whenever we think about the superlative degree, means whatever the comparison is given to us, in that comparison there is the superlative degree, means the highest possibility. About that possibility there is nothing. Okay, so this is your superlative degree. So first rule of the superlative degree is that it compares more than 2 person, means there will be always more than 2 things, 2 nouns. 2 से ज़्यादा ही nouns जब होते हैं तब उसी में superlative degree use होती है. Got this thing? Whenever there will be more than 2 nouns, person, things, then only we can use the superlative degree. And we always use before adjective, we always use the. The means the, the word, before adjective in superlative degree. Okay, we can always use the word. Okay. So what I have written here, Rajesh is the. Why the? Basically the is our article, right? A and the. These 3 are our articles. We have learnt it in 3rd and 4th standard. So the article we generally use to show the uniqueness. If you remember, the article we generally use to show the uniqueness. There are some other rules also, but at present you just keep this thing in your mind that the article we use to show the uniqueness. So here is what? Here is the uniqueness is among these 3 boys, that Rajesh is the tallest, means what we want to show that there is no one tallest than Rajesh. Okay, so always remember one thing, in superlative degree we have to use the article, then the adjective, and with followed by est. Okay, the tallest. So this is the second rule. Fine. Now we have seen 3 basic degrees of comparison, that is positive degree, the basic degree where no comparison, second comparative degree where the comparison is between 2 nouns, and the third one is the superlative degrees where the comparison is between more than 2 nouns. Now the first one is your positive degree जहाँ पे कोई comparison नहीं है, so there will not be any changes in the adjective. Now rest 2 degrees are there, comparative and superlative. So we are going to learn about some basic rules to form comparative and superlative degrees. Means अगर हमें comparative और superlative degree बनानी है तो एडजेक्टिव में किस तरीके से क्या क्या चेंजेस होने वाले हैं, उसके जो बेसिक रूल्स है, दीज वी आर गोइंग टू सी. ओके, एक्सक्यूज मी. एंड इफ यू वांट यू कैन नोट डाउन दीज रूल्स फॉर योर फर्दर स्टडी. ओके, सो वी विल सी द फर्स्ट रूल. और फर्स्ट रूल इज दैट मोस्ट एडजेक्टिव्स ऐड er and est to their base. Base means basic form टू फॉर्म कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज। मतलब बहुत सारे एडजेक्टिव में ER और EST ऐड होता है उनके बेसिक ओरिजिनल फॉर्मेट में। एडजेक्टिव के ओरिजिनल फॉर्मेट में ER एंड EST ऐड होता है टू फॉर्म द कंपैरेटिव एंड द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। द एग्जाम्पल्स आर टॉल, टॉलर, टॉलेस्ट। Tall is the basic adjective. We add ER, taller, to form the comparative, and we add EST to form the superlative. The same way, large, larger, largest. So many examples you can take. Hard, harder, hardest. So this is the first rule to form ER and EST. Now in this situation also, ER we use to form the comparative degree and EST we use to form the superlative degree. ER is for comparative, EST is for superlative. Got this first rule? Now the second rule is some adjective change their spellings when forming comparative and superlative degree. Now here if you can see in this sentence tall, this is the original spelling. While forming it comparative degree, it remains same, only ER was added. In superlative degree also it is same, only EST was added. Fine. But here is our second rule that some spellings changes their format. For example, big, bigger, biggest means what is the spelling of big? It is BIG. But whenever we are going to make it in a comparative degree, the spelling will be changed BIGGER. Right? Means it had changed its basic spelling. So this is the second rule, that some adjective changes their spelling to form the comparative and superlative degree. Like tasty. Now in tasty, the last alphabet is Y, which has been turned IER. मतलब they had removed the Y को निकाल के उसकी जगह पे IER ऐड किया है. And the same way in superlative degree, remove Y and add IEST. Clear? This is our second rule to form the comparative and superlative degree. Our third rule is some adjective form their comparative and superlative degrees by using more and most before the adjective. It means for some adjective we have to put the word more or most to form the adjective degrees. For example, difficult, more difficult means the difficult adjective, it won't follow the rule ER or EST. It won't change its spelling. It has different rule. What is that? It is followed with more and most. To form a comparative form, we use more, and superlative we use most. So it will be difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Okay. Nextly, we can take an example like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. These are so many adjectives where we can use more and most. Next rule is some adjective do not follow any rules. Means till now we have seen 3 rules. पहला rule है to add ER or EST. ER for comparative degree, EST for superlative degree. The second rule was it changes the spelling. For example, BIG, we made it BIGG, ER or EST. Third rule is we can use more for comparative, most for superlative. But some adjectives are like that, they won't follow any rule. They are some exceptional type of adjective. The example is good, better, best. Means they are not following any rule. Their actual format is different for all the 3 degrees. So this you will came to know as and how you will start reading more and more. You came to know these type of exceptional adjectives to form their comparisons or the superlative degree. So these are known as the exceptional adjective. Good, better, best, bad, worst, worst. So many adjectives are there. So students, this was our small chapter about degree of comparison. There are so many other rules to form the degree of comparison, but at in fifth standard you have this as a introductory level, so these are some basic rules we have to follow and learn about the degree of adjective. So again I am telling you, if you want you can note down these rules in your notebook for your better understanding. Go through the video twice, thrice, so that tomorrow we can solve the exercise. We can discuss about the exercise and we can solve the exercise. Okay, till that, thank you.